guys, welcome to our practical session and welcome to Intuiting Stuffs. I'm Ashwin. Today we are going to see what we studied in the last video, that is the trend. Let's analyze some stocks in live. I am using in.tradingview.com to view these charts. I will show you how to get in there. Just type in.tradingview.com and you can go inside. It's a free website. You will get the latest updated charts, and here you type which type of stock you need. For example, I will take ICICI Bank. And see here, you should check this NCC or BSE. NSE means National Stock Exchange and BSE means Bombay Stock Exchange. Now we will choose NSE and it's ICICI Bank. Okay, go inside, and for this you can create a free account, so you can follow it and get the regular updates. Full feature chart. In this we can view the candlesticks, line charts and everything. I will explain it in detail in the upcoming sessions. Okay, now in this free version you will get some pop-up ads like this. Just say no thanks and no problems there. Okay, I will close this. I have not teach you this till now. Okay, close it and close this. And I also have the Bollinger Band here, and I will hide it here. Okay, this is full screen. Now let's analyze the trend. Wait, don't come to a conclusion. I will zoom it out that we can see years. It's a daily chart, by the way. I will tell you all daily chart and monthly chart. Let's go back. Oh wow, it's so volatile. Volatile means it's moving up and down rapidly. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's the best example. Okay, what is this trend? What do you think this trend is? Yeah, that's right, uptrend. Oh, can you determine that? Here, a new high is formed, nearly 61 rupees, right? And the low is 41 rupees. Note that. Then next high is formed at here 108. It's greater than 61. That means newer high is formed. Okay, the low of that stock. Okay, that's 85 rupees. And see a date. By the way, downside is the date and right side is the price. Okay. On 22nd, 20 September 2015, we have now 108 rupees, and on 21st October 2005, I mean both are 2005, we have 86 rupees. It does not need that it should be in in a single day or in a week. It can take months or years also. We will see an example for years. Okay, now newer is formed and newer lows also formed. See. Here 40 rupees, right, lower low, and here is here's new higher low is formed. A greater low is formed, 85 rupees. Next higher high, here it is. Okay, on 118, it is higher than this one, right? Then it's a new sign, but this one is lower than the last low. That is L1 is lower than L2. Okay, then it is a concern. We should check whether it's a trend reversal, whether it will go in a downtrend. But you can see in this phase, it's changing upwards, and it form a new lower low. I mean lower high. Then that's a good sign. And it's forming again and it's uptrend. Now let's see why did it go up. Let's see let's see that afterwards. Okay, now after it reached about 266 rupees, it in 2008 there was a crisis. So the stock market fell and crashed. See. It's a small shortfall. Shortfall means that not to be in a single day or in a week. It can take years also. Like this high was on 7th January 2008, and this lowest was on 27th February 2009. Almost a year, right? No, almost greater than a year. Lowest almost 47 rupees. It can be a newer time to get in. Now see here, lower high and again a lower high. Does the lower low is also formed? Lower low, newer lower low. Again, it's lower than the previous one. So it's a clear downtrend. And see here, it's interesting. Another trend also you can see. We saw uptrend and downtrend. What is this one? I'll zoom in. Yeah. See it. You can see it right here. See, it's in a sideways trend. This line is stable. It's going down, upwards, downwards, upwards or downwards for almost half a year, November to March, downwards. And see this, oh my god, we are getting so many examples to understand this more clearly. If you zoom in this, on the day April 6, 2009, the volumes are skyrocketed. The volume should be greater than the previous 5 candles, but it's greater than previous months of candles, right? Then it skyrocketed and green candles formed. That means it is going to be a trend reversal. Now see, slowly it has started to trend, take a reverse, and many green candles are formed and many green volumes are formed. Okay, what is green candle and what is red candle? For a short notice, for a short note, I will tell. Green means bullish. Bullish means it's in a good sign. A positive price has been formed. That means it's the opening. If the opening is at 50 rupees and the closing it is 70 rupees, then it will form a green candle. If the price opens on the day on 70 rupees and it closes on 50 rupees, that means negative, right? 20 rupees loss. That means it will be on red candle. If the prices are on profits, it will be on green candle. See, many green candles have been formed here. Here, many red candles have been formed. So it's started to trend reverse. See here, gap up opening. Do you remember? Gap up opening. The opening is far greater than the previous close. Yeah, and it has seen a dramatic effect. See, it's all it's nearly like a sideways trend in this zone, and then it again lifted up sideways, then downwards trend and upwards, and so on. Okay, let's see another chart. Okay, in this thing we can see DWM. That means I have bookmarked it. In this you can see many type of candles. One day candle means obviously a day's candle. It is formed from 9:15 to 3:30, and a week candle means throughout the week the all price changes has been calculated and taken average, and it is formed a weekly candle. For a month candle, a monthly candle, same ways. It has they have taken the data of 1 month and formed a single candle. If I click week, these candles will be changed into week candles. See, now we can see clear the trend. If it is in months, it will be much clearer. You can see it now. But if it's a small change in trend, it will not play a big difference. See, now from 2000 to 2020 itself, we can see it's clearly showing a total overall uptrend in a long term. But in the short term, it's seen a great uptrend. I mean, like a fast grower. I have teach in previous videos. It was in Tamil. I will teach it again on English also. Fast growers means the growth will be very fast according with that minimum time range. That means in 2 years it will see a growth of about 100 to 200 percentage. Also higher than that. It means a multi-bagger. I will teach it in upcoming sessions. See, uptrend, downtrend, and somewhat like that. In monthly, monthly means long term, weekly means medium term, and day means short term. Okay, let's see another famous stock, HDFC. What does it say? Let's see. I will zoom it out. Okay. Haha. It's super, right? This graph. For better view, okay, let's see in this. You can see it, right? It's a clear uptrend. You can see the price has been slowly increasing. A newer high, a newer high, again a newer high is formed here, again newer high is formed here. A small and okay. What is this one? Is this a downtrend? No. What's that? Down move. Yes, it's a down move. Now again a down move, up move, down move, up move. A trend is a collection of up moves and down moves. You can understand it now, right? It's a collection of up moves and down moves. Now see here. The scene and it can be said as a downtrend if you take it on a short term or medium term. For long term, it's just a down move because from it started on 24th July 2018 and it ended on 31st October 2018 itself. Within 4 to 6 months, it has been ended. So it can be considered a down move in a long trend. But this one, the Corona season, see here, it was on 1,300 rupees. The lowest was 728 rupees. Dramatic effect, right? It was nearly like we went about 3 years back. Oh my god, 3 years back. That's awesome. Okay, let's see another stock. We have been seeing all bank stock, right? Let's see. Food stock. Everyone loves food, right? Food. Jubilant Food Works. Do you know what Jubilant Food Works is? It's nothing other than Domino's Pizza and Dunkin' Donuts. It's a franchise of Jubilant Food Works. Okay, let's see this. You can see every trend in this. Okay, let's take this one only. You can see it's an uptrend, right? Higher high, and now it's a downtrend. And it was like in the sideways trend, then again uptrend, now downtrend. Now in Corona season, every stock is in downtrend, man. Seriously, every stock is in downtrend because all the business has been flattened. Now the price as was at 1000 near 2000 rupees and it rock bottom at 1000 rupees, nearly off the price. If you bought the stock on 23rd March 2020 for 1145 rupees and you at least sold it on 28th May 2020, okay, sorry, 27th May 2020, you have seen a 700 rupees gain on a single stock. What a stock! If you have 10 stocks also, you will have a 7,000 rupees within 3 months or 2 months of 2 months span of time. Price nice. And Sun TV Networks, another good stock for me because I have been trading in this, not for a long term, not for a medium term, a short term, just buying at a low and selling at high. See, in this it's clear a downtrend now. It's a big shortfall on Corona season and it's trying to keep it up. And I like to talk about stock for sure because it has covered my idea. Vodafone Idea, it has been merged. Vodafone Idea, it has been an amazing stock for me now because it can be turned around. If you watch my previous videos, I will explain the turnaround and 6 type of stocks in detail, so you will understand what I am talking after this video now. Okay, see, for a long time it has been in a volatile situation. See, for in April to before April 2017, it has been uptrend, then downtrend, and it was somewhat like in the sideways trend, and it kickstarted on May 2012, and it skyrocketed for 1 year, 1.5 years nearly. Then again it went into a sideways trend. Now it has seen a bad move, downtrend, and when Vodafone bought Idea, it surged up like anything from 40 rupees to 70 rupees, almost a two bagger, 2 times the price. Then again it saw a downfall because the manager, everyone's saying, and I studied the fundamental reports of that company, and it says the management is not good. Now it's trying to coping it up because Vodafone bought it, and that management is pretty good than the Idea's management. Now you can see it's in a sideways trend, but it's trying to break. These lines I have drawn is this. These are the resistance and this is the support line, and it has broken 2 times. 2 resistance lines of mine. See, it has broke this resistance line and it has not came below this one. And today it has broken the second resistance line of mine, 5 rupees and 5 rupees and 90 paise. It was at 3 rupees. That means almost 3 times the value. But only today it has reached about 7 rupees. And see, the volume is pretty high. And my guess is it will start to rise again. But it forms an inverted hammer under uptrend. That means it's a shooting star like a pattern, candlestick pattern. I'll reach it in our upcoming session. Stay tuned. It will be so interesting and I love the candlestick patterns. See here, a big bullish one. I mean bearish one, sorry. And with big volumes. And again a green one has been formed with a big candle. What's a big candle? Okay. You can understand that uptrend, downtrend and sideways trend, right? Uptrend means newer highs and new lows. Downtrend means newer lower highs and new lower lows. And sideways means nothing is formed. It will be in a volatile situation. It will be like in a tunnel. It will go up and down, up and down. Alright guys, it's done for a particular session. We will meet in the next section. Thank you and bye bye.